Use the machine for the first time. Before starting the machine, take the 3 live wires and 1 neutral wire with the clamper multimeter to reach the AC voltage value. The test can be started normally. Set the required temperature. Open the press switch. Press stop to raise the heating plate. Test if the manual control button is normal. During the running process, if the fabric is not fresh or has debris, press the emergency stop button to pause the operating and adjust. In the auto mode, the button plate is automatically switched, and the journal switching time is set to 3 seconds. The machine runs all year round. The oil seal may be broken, resulting oil leakage. Check whether there is oil on the heating plate. There is oil leakage. If there is a jump temperature, replace the spare thermocouple. If the heating is slow, check the contactor in the first step. But first, check the contactor with the pliers multimeter in order of 1.2, 1.3, 2.3 to see if there is any current. The second step is to check whether the switch has current. If it is normal, check whether there is something wrong with the input and or power supply. The second step is to check the power supply at the input end. Under the heating condition, the contactor will close and test the voltage. If it is normal, there is something wrong with the heating plate. The color of the cross transferred is not uniform or bucket hot, which may be out of phase or broken wire of the heating plate. Please check the contactor switches and power supply, which is the same as the above measured. For the first time to use the machine, if the heating plate does not press down, check whether the motor is moving forward. If the motor releases the heating plate will not press down, at this time to turn off the machine. VUW, 2 of the line exchange position.